Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I'm just doing a landscape speed paint because in the first video I posted this year, it wasn't really a New Year's resolution video, but I just made resolutions in there kind of on a whim. Yeah, I said that I wanted to get better at backgrounds and draw more backgrounds, but the thing is, if I don't increase the amount of backgrounds I'm drawing, I'm not really gonna get any better. So yeah, there's little background speed paint. I figure it's kind of the same thing as how you sketch to improve like anatomy, you know, kind of like that. You just do a bunch of rough sketches until you get a hold of the anatomy, and then the rest just all falls into place. So yeah, I just need to get better at that. This started off as a train wreck. Like, I honestly hated it so much. I was almost gonna scrap and like draw a random other thing because I was almost like super embarrassed by it, and I never would have posted that. But it just needed some perspective fixes. I guess I drew it too, like, I had to squish the whole picture, and it was tilted a little bit, which is, you know, actually it was really messing with my eyes, because when I like tilted it to be straight, it was like a weight was lifted off my eyes. You know what I mean? Like, it just, something was bothering me, and then when I twisted it, I didn't record that part, but you can see it's like, if you look at the right of the drawing, it's a little bit higher up than left. Yeah, I just kind of rotated the whole thing, and it looks really good now. I'm really happy with it. Sometimes it's the little things. You gotta get your base down good. Like I was saying, you have to have your anatomy be decent before like things stop looking weird, like the whole crooked horizon thing I had going on while drawing a landscape. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It's a little bit of a fancier Sketchbook Sunday, but you know, I was feeling it. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday.